Welcome to this video on investing money for ordinary investors. My name is Warren Ross. I'm a business consultant here in Idaho Falls. Today I'm here with my father, Darrell Ross, who's been investing in everything you can imagine for a long time. Can you tell us a few things that you've invested in over your investment career?
Yes, I can. I've invested in various business ventures, real estate, family business for a long time, Forex, stock market, fine art, precious metals, livestock, list goes on.
So, Papa, what is the real secret to making money in a quote-unquote recession, or when it's really hard for investors, ordinary investors, to make a decent amount of profit investing?
You know, I've written a report that folks can go get if they want to go over to makingmoneywithmobilehomes.com. But to answer your question, you really need to find the right niche and invest in that niche.
So what does the right niche look like?
Well, there are two things in the right niche. First thing it has to be a place where not everybody's rushing to.
Okay.
And the second thing it has to be is a place where because there's not a lot of supply, there's a high demand for those products, services within that niche. And that puts me in mind of a story. When we were living in Hawaii in the 80s,
right.
I was in the construction business. I got into the federal market. And President Reagan was rebuilding everything that had been built and had dilapidated during the period of 1940 to 1980. So 40 years, worn out buildings. But they were also building a lot of new, nice buildings. And there was a lot of demand, at least a lot of competition in the new construction era. But for those renovation projects, hardly anybody came. We call them dirty jobs because they had some unsavory thing. You had to tear out termite damage, you had to put new roofs on, you had to fix broken concrete, those kind of things.
Right.
And so what happened was, when I would go do $1 million worth of work, there would be a $200,000 payoff for me for $1 million worth of work. And these other guys were going out and doing these $10 million jobs, and they were earning only $200,000 for the same, for 10 times the work, I mean. And so I found a niche, which not very many people were at, and had very high returns, and that's exactly what I'm talking about.
So you made 10 times the money on the same amount of work. So, Papa, what sort of niche can I find today as an ordinary investor, taking that same principle and applying it today, with a little bit of cash that I have to invest?
Well, son, that is what makes investing in older mobile homes such a great and incredible thing right now. You don't have to have much money,
right? And
you can earn an incredible profit,
right?
Just sort of like the difference between 10 million and 1 million. Oh, now it's 10 times or 20 times less investment to make the same money you do on 20 times more money.
Right.
So we actually teach people how to do this at www.makingmoneywithmobilehomes.com, and you don't have to deal with tenants, and you don't have to deal with fixing toilets.
Wow.
And you get great passive income that doubles your money easily every 2 years.
Wow, sounds good. So if I'm looking for the best place to put my investment money today, I really should consider older mobile homes. Even though it does kind of make me wince a little, to invest in these kind of places, these ugly older mobile homes, but you're telling me that it really isn't that bad, and I don't have to deal with all the kind of problems that I might be concerned about to make incredible returns on my small investment.
Well, actually, just think about that feeling you just had, older mobile homes. That's the reason, that repulsiveness that comes up there, that's the reason why there's such a great return on it. Most people will never do it. Why? Because they feel that feeling and they turn away, and that leaves lots of room for people who take that initiative to make great profits.
There you go. Now, if you would like to learn more about older mobile homes, go to www.makingmoneywithmobilehomes.com, and you too can become a wealthy investor with older mobile home real estate investments. Again, that's www.makingmoneywithmobilehomes.com.